Now you can get that dewy, fresh, hydrated look with a glossy finish in seconds. So let's find out the recipe. So the first most important ingredient that you need is your vetiver roots. The link to this product I'll share in the description box below. So I've taken around 10 gram of this vetiver roots. So take around 10 grams of vetiver roots and wash it thoroughly. Then discard the water and put the vetiver roots into another bowl. Then add around half liter of water. Boil on a low flame until the water reduces to half. Vetiver roots has antibacterial and antiseptic properties that helps fight acne and pimples. It clears the skin, giving it a fresh, healthy, poreless and rejuvenated look. It also plays a major role in reducing wrinkles and blemishes. Remove from heat and cover it with a lid and leave until it cools down completely. This way it helps retain the earthy aromatic fragrance. In a separate bowl, take 1 teaspoon of aloe vera gel. Then add 1/4 teaspoon of glycerin. So here I am using vegetable glycerin. Then add 1 vitamin E capsule oil. And finally 3 to 4 drops of rose otto essential oil. Mix well and add this to the vetiver water. Then once again mix it really well. Take an empty clean bottle and pour the solution into this bottle. Shake well and hold 8 inches away from face while spraying. Close your eyes. You can use it after cleansing your face, after your skin has been exposed to sun, or any time you need to glow and calm down your dull, tired skin, to control oil production and excess shine, and also to set your makeup. You can use it 3 to 4 times in a day. It tightens your pores, fights premature age lines and spots. It's a great face mist, smells lovely, gentle, hydrating, soothing, rejuvenating and brightening. So bye my hearties, take care of yourself and also do not forget to subscribe to our channel. Bye.